Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Jan's Sewing Reviews, my Dil Pasand review channel. I'm going to share a couple of items that I bought quite recently. They were from a mill called Boundary Mills. This is a big retail outlet that's situated in Corn, which is quite near to us. You can visit them online on boundarymills.co.uk, and it's a really good store for buying lots of pieces of clothing and also footwear, and I particularly like to buy footwear from there. Now these are shoes by Pavers, and these are very extremely comfortable. Now my foot is a little bit of a weird shape. When I was young, I actually bought and wore shoes which were a little bit tight on my feet. It was a bit of a silly story where my brother had accompanied me to buy shoes at the age of 13, and he was quite a tough person. He was quite, what was he? He was quite authoritarian. So whenever he took you out, he wanted things done instantly. So the first shop that we'd come to, he made me go in there and buy some shoes. He said, don't take long. And so the lady in the shop, the first pair of shoes that she showed me, I ended up buying them, and they were very nice and they were quite expensive. And so when I brought them home, I wore them for a couple of days, and I realized that, I was 13, my foot was growing, and before I knew it, I'd outgrown them, but because they were so expensive and they were so nice, I continued wearing them. And also my mum would shout at me saying that you bought them, so you're gonna have to wear them. So what ended up happening was my foot didn't develop in length, and instead I developed my bone ended up sticking out, and I developed bunions. So my bone is quite protruding. My foot is very wide, or even though my foot isn't that long. So when I buy shoes, I find it very difficult to shop for the type of feet that I have. One thing I always emphasize, I always encourage everyone to do, especially my own family members, is when they take children shopping, is to get them the best comfortable, most comfortable shoes. And also, I mean, ideally take them to Clark's and get their foot measured and buy them shoes from there, because if you do not invest in good footwear for your children, they can end up having the same problem as me. And I think of that as quite bad, because there's a lot of shoes that I find very difficult to wear. So when I go shoe hunting, it's very difficult to find. Sometimes I end up liking something, but then the shape or the comfort isn't there. And gone are the days when I could wear stuff for the sake of fashion and disregard comfort. Now everything has to be comfort first. So I went out yesterday with a friend of mine for a cup of tea at Boundary Mills, and after we'd finished, I couldn't help but going down to the outlet and looking at some shoes. So I bought 3 pairs of shoes. Two I ended up buying same. This color, the price was so good I couldn't leave it, and also it was very comfortable. And I tend to have a lot of clothes and a lot of abayas this color, and I don't tend to wear heel shoes now. This had a small heel, but it's a very comfortable heel that women of my age will feel very comfortable wearing. It's a wide fitting one. This one they had on offer for £20, so 19.99, so I couldn't leave it. It was just too good to leave. And their Pavers are one of the best companies for comfort footwear. Okay, they all 3 are by Pavers. This one, because it's in black is obviously a demanding color. Again, I've got loads of abayas with this kind of beadwork on, and I paid £30 for this one, but they are so comfortable and they're so nice looking, very elegant, wide fitting, and best of all, I could walk around and wear these whole day without a problem. So that's my second pair of shoes. The third one is quite a fancy one. I'm going to a wedding, and I have so much when I look at my shoes, I think, oh my god, I'm like Imelda, Imelda Marcos, the woman with so many pairs of shoes. And then I don't know what to do with them, and I don't feel like throwing them away. But when occasions come, you always go out and you want to buy, spoil yourself and buy a fancy outfit, because it's the shoes that make the outfit. You got a nice pair of clothes on, but then you've got horrible, which I tend to do. for the sake of comfort, I'd wear the nice clothes, but then I'd wear something horrible in my feet, which looks disgusting. So anyway, I was out yesterday and I saw these and I really, really liked them. And I thought, well, I've got all these fancy outfits. I've got a couple of weddings to go to. So they're ideal. And the best thing was that, again, they were a very, very good price. I paid $29.99 for these. They did have a matching bag as well, but I don't tend to carry the, bags, so I didn't bother buying that. Nice short heel, thin, and again these are by Pavers, and as I mentioned, is one of the best companies for comfort. I think they've been around for, what is it, 100 and what did they say? Let's have a look at the label. It said 150 years of footwear knowledge goes into every shoe. Pavers.co.uk. So if you want to search them out, by all means search them out on their website. And that's my recent haul. Now the original price for these were for $49.99 and they were cut down to $29.99. So I think it's a good buy. I like investing in stuff which is reasonable and decent as well. So anyway, if you fancy footwear, then maybe it's an idea to go online and search out Boundary Mills or pavers.co.uk and get yourself a pair of these wonderful shoes.